I don't know if you're like me, where you've added in some images like this, and you're like, you know what? It'd be really cool if I could drag this up here and it could just be like side by side images, but I just can't do that. It won't let me do it. Good thing we just added columns, right? Yeah, check this out. I'm going to go up to the Insert tab here. I'm going to click on Columns. I can select 2 or 3 columns. In this case, I'm going 3. There we go. And I've got these boxes. Put my cursor in this one. Let's go ahead and add an image. Let's go grab number 1 here. Add that. Yep. Let's go grab number 2 here. Add that. And then let's grab this one here. Grab 3. Yeah, check it out. I now have columns so I can put side by side images in my Trainual steps.